Look at the distorted limb of the cat. He is almost unable to stand. Again, the limb of this child is also distorted. Now, they are the victims of Minamata disaster. But what was the Minamata disaster? The Minamata disaster took place in 1956. The source of this disaster was a large petrochemical plant which was run by Chiso factory. Now, this Chiso factory or Chiso corporation was located in the factory town of Minamata, which is situated in the west coast of Japan. In the year 1956, this petrochemical plant started dumping or releasing large amount of mercury and toxic chemicals into the adjoining water bodies. As a result, the adjoining water bodies got polluted and it eventually led to the Minamata disaster. Now, let us discuss about the harmful effects of this disaster. Now, as I just mentioned, the petrochemical plant started dumping large quantity of mercury and other toxic chemicals into the water bodies. As a result, the water bodies got polluted and it affected the fishes. Now, eventually, when these fishes were consumed by the people of the town and cats, they fell sick. The citizens also suffered from critical health issues. In the following years, newborn babies were born with deformities. They also suffered from mental retardation, deafness and blindness. So you can understand how impactful these pollutants are. These pollutants not only degrade the quality of the water but also trigger critical health issues in human beings and animals. Let us now know about other effects of water pollution. Now, we know that during water pollution, the quality of water degrades. As a result, the water becomes contaminated. Now, if we drink this contaminated water, then we can suffer from various waterborne diseases. Now, some of the common waterborne diseases are cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, headache, cold, cough. Now, this cold, headache and cough are caused when someone suffers from jaundice, which is a type of waterborne disease. Now, other diseases like malaria and dengue are caused by the pathogens that breed in stagnant water. So, these diseases like malaria and dengue can also be indirectly caused due to polluted water. So, from this we understood that if we drink polluted and contaminated water, then we can suffer from various waterborne diseases. Now, before we proceed with our lesson, let us try to answer this question. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Is it cholera, jaundice, typhoid or bronchitis? The correct answer is bronchitis. As we just read that cholera, jaundice and typhoid are caused on consuming contaminated water. So, they are the effects of water pollution, while bronchitis is not an effect of water pollution. So, the correct answer is bronchitis. Now, as we have read in our previous lesson that industry is a major source of water pollution. Industries release a large number of untreated inorganic pollutants into the water bodies. Some of them are nitrate or fluoride. Now, this nitrate is indeed a harmful pollutant and can lead to severe health issues. For instance, if excess nitrate is present in water bodies, then it can lead to blue baby syndrome. Now, nitrate actually interferes with the oxygen carrying capacity of blood and it leads to blue baby syndrome. Now, as I just mentioned, industries also release pollutants like fluoride into the water bodies. Now, fluoride can cause dental fluorosis. Now in case of this disease, as we can see in the picture, the teeth mostly grow inside the gums and they are very weak. Now this dental fluorosis is mostly common in small children of age 8 years and below. This is because in case of small children, the permanent teeth are still developing, so they are more prone or susceptible to suffer from dental fluorosis. So here we see that pollutants like nitrate can lead to blue baby syndrome, and water pollutant like fluoride can lead to dental fluorosis. Now there are other effects of water pollution also. Let us discuss about them. We are watching a video on Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest coral reef in the world. See how the bright colorful coral reef has turned pale. But how and why? Now we know industries release a lot of toxic chemicals into the water bodies. Now some of these toxic chemicals are acidic in nature, and addition of these acidic substances decrease the pH level of ocean water and lead to ocean acidification. Now apart from changing the chemical composition of ocean water, they also lead to rise in temperature of water bodies. Now when the water is warm, the coral release algae into the water bodies which is present in their tissue, and they eventually turn pale or completely white. This situation when the coral turn pale or white in absence of algae is known as coral reef bleaching. So ocean acidification and coral reef bleaching are effects of water pollution. This brings us to the end of discussion on effects of water pollution. We discussed that presence of different water pollutants in the water bodies triggers various diseases in human beings and animals. Overall, it has an impact on the environment as well. Now we read that due to excessive dumping of mercury, deformed children were born during the Minamata disaster. So birth of deformed children is an effect of water pollution. Next, we read that blue baby syndrome disease is caused when excess nitrate, which is a powerful water pollutant, is present in water bodies. So blue baby syndrome is another effect of water pollution that is caused due to presence of excess nitrate in water bodies. Similarly, dental fluorosis is caused due to presence of excess fluoride in water bodies. Now apart from these diseases, various waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, etc. can be caused on consuming contaminated water directly. Next, we also discussed that ocean acidification and coral reef bleaching are also other effects of water pollution. Thus, we can understand that water pollution is indeed very dangerous, and it is causing harm not only to plants and animals, but it is also degrading the quality of the environment overall. In our next lesson, we shall discuss how we can control water pollution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can also register for free at DeltaStep.com or download the DeltaStep app to learn one-to-one with our amazing teachers, or to get access to our 5,000 amazing videos as per your school syllabus. Master each topic with our adaptive practice technology. Get million+ questions with step-by-step solutions and unlimited mock tests. Get all your doubt resolved instantly. Learn via games and win amazing prizes like PlayStations and iPads. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, but it's rewarding too. So register for free now.